Daniel Thulusma. I'm the president and founder for Caribbean American Civic Movement. We are a newly established nonprofit in the state of Florida. We just incorporated in May 30th, 2015. We are about 12 board members from many different countries of the Caribbean and Americans. We have a group of 2,500 Facebook members and social media, and we are operating right now in 5 different countries in the Caribbean. We have 4 board members in Dominican Republic, and that include 2 lawyers and a doctors that's working at the military hospital in Dominican Republic, and a bishop that's have more than 16 churches in the Dominican Republic under his leadership. We have 4 board members personal in Haiti. We have a businessman there. We have a lot of young professionals also that are affiliated with us in Haiti. Our board members and we come up with this idea of Caribbean American Civic Movement because we are concerned citizens that have come together and respond to certain issue facing the Caribbean community. Our mission is to strengthen and empower the community through education program and intervention. And right now, as an organization, we have the urgency to direct our focus in the crisis in Dominican Republic. 495,000 people have recently been impacted by the new amendment law, which was passed in 2010 in the Dominican Republic to regulate the immigration system. As of right now, the Dominican Republic government has reported 240,000 people has been registered to this program, but that left 255,000 people facing mass deportation. This issue has struck the attention of the Caribbean American Civic Movement. We are ready to protest and fight for all rights and ensure that not just the immigrant, but individual rights being respected. We have a group of 100 churches affiliated in the ground in Dominican Republic and 4 representatives in Dominican Republic that has made contact and have been organized to make sure this operation is going as we started it. Now, the organization have been meeting with local authorities. We have made contact with the Dominican and the Haitian embassies, and we ask for more information to educate the community about this issue. Now, Caribbean American Civic Movement is calling on all to join this movement to say no to cruelty against our brothers and sisters, and let's say yes to unity, dignity, and respect and human and civic right of all. I'm asking you to join this movement, to stand with us, to visit our page, our Facebook page, to visit our website, which is www.cacmovement.org, and also join our fundraising campaign and GoFundMe. We know that all Dominicans are not racist, because Dominican Republic was actually the first country who came to Haiti after the earthquake in January 12, 2010, and they were really the last country who left. The Dominican Republic have opened their door to close to 1 million Haitians to go to Dominican Republic. They have provided medical assistance and food and water to us. So we know that not all Dominicans are racist, but the issue of human rights violation and civic rights violation have been going for centuries. And this is an issue that cannot be ignored, because this society, the world that we are living today, have no room for racial prejudice. So I'm asking for this issue to be addressed, and also for people to understand this issue. That's why we are going on the ground and meeting with the Ministry of Interior, the National Security Department in Dominican Republic, to understand what's going on, to verify those alleged crimes and the mass deportation, make sure those people's rights and dignity have been respected. I'm asking you today to join this movement and to donate what you can to make sure this operation is gone. as our representative in Dominican Republic is ready, and as our representative in Haiti is ready to help those people that's already been deported to make sure they get to the countryside. So I'm asking you, would you be ready today to join me and join the movement and also making a donation? I'm counting on you, and your help will be very, 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 we will be very grateful to your help. Thank you, and may God bless you.